With a 24-hour front desk and popular restaurant, this modern hotel offers spacious rooms with Wi-Fi access. Premier Inn London Docklands is next to the ExCel Exhibition Centre in Royal Victoria Dock. The air-conditioned rooms at Premier Inn London Docklands ExCel each have a satellite TV and a work desk. All rooms have tea, coffee facilities and a private bathroom with 3 toiletries. The restaurant serves a varied evening menu, and the bar offers a range of beverages and light snacks. An all-you-can-eat breakfast buffet is served daily, featuring cooked and vegetarian options. The Premier Inn London Dockland ExCel is a 5-minute drive from London City Airport. Canary Wharf and the O2 Arena are a 15-minute drive away, and Prince Regent DLR Light Rail Station is a 5-minute walk. Newham is a great choice for travellers interested in entertainment, tourist attractions and monuments. Do you like an offer? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details.